If you're considering buying COOHOM in Hong Kong, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. Whether you're comparing it to competitors or just trying to figure out if it's the right fit for your needs, stick around. I'll break down everything you need to know to make a well-informed decision and how to get the best offer for COOHOM, plus some exclusive benefits. First off, COOHOM in Hong Kong is known for its high-quality 3D design tools, offering a more intuitive and accessible platform compared to some competitors. It's especially popular among interior designers, offering tools that let you design, visualize, and showcase your projects with ease. But what makes it stand out? Well, the interface is super user-friendly. While some other platforms can feel overwhelming, COOHOM makes it easy for both pros and beginners to get their hands dirty without spending weeks learning complicated software. Next thing, COOHOM's 3D rendering capabilities are some of the best in the business, offering ultra-realistic visuals that make your designs come to life. Unlike others that might fall short in quality or require additional software to get the desired results, COOHOM provides high-quality renders directly within the platform, which is a huge time saver. This feature alone can set it apart from other tools, especially if you value speed and efficiency without sacrificing quality. The third thing to consider is COOHOM's extensive library of furniture and materials. Unlike many competitors that require additional purchases or downloads, COOHOM gives you access to a huge selection of textures, materials, and 3D models right from the get-go. If you're looking for something specific, their catalog is impressively varied and constantly updated, meaning you don't have to worry about running out of options to complete your designs. Moving on, one major feature that COOHOM offers is its integration with virtual reality, VR. Many other design software solutions are still catching up in this area, but COOHOM's seamless VR integration lets you step into your design in real time, offering an immersive experience that's invaluable for both designers and clients. Imagine walking around your virtual space to get a real sense of how everything fits together, something that's hard to find elsewhere at this price point. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the pricing model. While it's relatively affordable compared to some other design software, COOHOM also offers scalable pricing plans based on your needs, from individual use to enterprise-level solutions. So whether you're a small business or a larger company, you can find a plan that suits your budget. And if you're still on the fence, they offer a free trial that's worth trying out before you commit to anything. Next up, COOHOM has a customer support team that's reliable and responsive. One of the biggest pain points with other software is dealing with frustrating support. COOHOM, however, offers both live chat and an extensive help center, so you can get the assistance you need in a timely manner. This is key for anyone who needs to get back to work quickly without being bogged down by slow responses. Finally, COOHOM allows for easy collaboration. Whether you're working with a team or presenting your designs to clients, the platform allows for easy sharing, editing, and feedback. It's especially helpful if you're working remotely or managing a large design team. Many other tools don't offer this level of collaborative functionality, which can slow things down when multiple people are involved. If you're ready to give COOHOM a try, click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial offer available, along with some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your design workflow with COOHOM, especially if you're working in Hong Kong and want a more affordable, high-quality design tool that delivers the features you need. So, be sure to check it out now and start your free trial today.